First, we have to log in on the RankMF application. Enter your client code and password. On the home page, click on Invest in Smart SIP today. Then you will see top-rated mutual fund schemes in which Smart SIP can be done. Click on any scheme as per your preference. In the bottom, you will be able to view a Smart SIP button. Click on Smart SIP. Then you will be able to view two Smart SIP orders. Smart SIP with top-up, Smart SIP without top-up. In Smart SIP with top-up, there is a top-up option, which means if markets are undervalued or inexpensive, then we'll invest double of the installment amount. Which means if your SIP is of 10,000 rupees and if the markets are inexpensive, 20,000 rupees will be invested, for which a prior intimation will be sent. This will help you to accumulate more at lower levels. A Smart SIP is just a normal Smart SIP without any top-up. Example, if your SIP is of 10,000 rupees and if the markets are undervalued, same amount will be deducted. Choose desired SIP type as per your preference. Click on Continue. The minimum ticket for Smart SIP is 5,000 rupees. Select SIP date, then click on the Confirm and Continue tab. Click on the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions. Now you have to verify the order via OTP. To process the order, click on Verify the OTP. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number as well as on your email. Enter OTP and click on the Confirm and Continue. You are done. Order has been placed successfully.